Okay, so now let's begin with the video. So in today's video I'm going to share one of my favorite easy peasy bridal eye makeup look and with full face makeup. So if you want to learn some of you know so if you want to learn bridal makeup looks and professional makeup looks, so please keep on watching because my channel is all about professional makeup looks. Okay, so let's begin with the video, and you can definitely learn free from here because what you have to do, you have to watch full video. So yeah, and make sure to share the makeup look with your friends and family. So, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. So what first you have to do, you have to moisturize your face and your lips, and I'm going to use both of the lip moisturizer and face moisturizer. So it's my all-time favorite and good for bridal makeup base, and it is all-time favorite of mine, and it is good for bridal makeup base, and even though for daily basis as well, you can definitely use this moisturizer and lip moisturizer. So my moisturizer and my lip moisturization is done. For foundation, I'm going to use this affordable foundation. This is from Exposed by In Color Velvet Touch foundation, and this foundation claims that it stimulates surface and skin renewal. Okay, so let's see. Obviously it is quite white in shade, but I'll manage. So yeah, if you get something white like this, you should know how to manage your foundation makeup base. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to shake it really well, and then I'm just going to use one pump. Okay, let's use two pump of it. Another foundation, I'm going to use this matte look foundation, and I'm going to use one pump of it. Okay, and even though this foundation is yellow for me, but I don't mind a little bit of yellowness on my skin because this white foundation and this yellow foundation will mix together and make very nice shade for my skin tone. So that is why I'm using a yellow foundation here. So my foundation is done. You can definitely see it is looking very dewy. So next I'm going to use this Recruit Cosmetics blush, and this is in the shade number Goosebumps, and I just love this shade so much. So first I'm going to use this palette from Color Broad Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this white eyeshadow to avoid creasing. I'm going to use this more pink shade like this one shade, and first I'm just going to tap it all over and blend and blend. Again this palette, and I'm going to use this shade like this shade. It's a very deep burgundy color, and going to place it over here and going on to my upward direction. And now for this front eyeshadow, I'm going to mix two shades, which is this one and this one. This is the light orange color, and this is the light yellow color. I'm going to mix these two colors right on the front, going near my eyebrow bone. Now same palette, I'm going to take the black shade. I'm going to apply it over here on my V area. Like here, just tap the color. So this is how eye makeup looks like. Now taking the same transition color to apply it on my lower lash line. Taking the same dark burgundy color like this shade, going to apply again on my lower lash line. And for the black color, I'm going to use the Smart Cosmetics Fantasy Eyeshadow Palette. Look at this black shade. Next, I'm going to use Mars Cosmetics Black Kajal. I'm going to use this glitter. Look at this glitter, it is very and I'm just going to spread it, okay, like all over. I'm just going to spread it. Okay, so my eyelashes and my kajal and my mascara is done. Now let's move on to the face makeup. I'm going to use this translucent powders again to retouch up my face because I do have a lot of glitter fall out, so I want to remove that. So these translucent powders remove that fallout very easily. So this is a technique. So you can, I'm going to use this bronzer shade to bronze my face. Again for my bronzer, I'm going to use this SFR Pure Color blusher in the shade number Naked Apricot. It's a kind of a matte, but still it is having very little tiny particles of shimmer, but which is not that much visible, but it is a very nice blush on. I use it because it is good for my bronzing shade, so that is why I always use this shade, because it is really good and blends like dream. So I highly recommend this. If it is available, go ahead with this, okay? It's very nice. For my third bronzer, I'm going to use this Mars V Face bronzer in the shade number, which is the shade, I guess, 05. Yes, in the shade number 05, I'm going to use this shimmer blusher or highlighter. It is also a very nice one. Taking this angular brush, and I'm going to use this shade and this shade as my blusher. And just blend it right here. Next, I'm going to use this velour highlighter from Mars Cosmetics. For my another highlighter, I'm going to use this highlighter. I'll just take this brush and blend this highlighter really well. Now let's move on to the lipstick. I'm going to use this LA 18 lipstick in the shade number Lilac Galaxy. It's a very nice mauve, muted mauve shade. and to tone it down I'm going to use this color. Now I'm going to use this lip gloss. So this is the final finish eye makeup look. I just love this makeup look so much. Obviously it is looking very professional, and though I have used very minimal products and very affordable products as well, so you can definitely reach this makeup look very you know affordably as well, and very with the along with very easy steps. Okay, so it's a very beautiful makeup look. You can definitely recreate this makeup look with any of your colors, and I just love this makeup look. If you want to learn more and more makeup look like this, because my channel is all about professional makeup looks, and this is one of those makeup look because it is looking very stunning in real life as well. And yeah, if you want to learn more makeup looks like these, subscribe and let me know into the comment box. Till then, take care.